In this video, I'll provide a high-level overview of the Coverity Development Testing Platform, which enables you to streamline and automate your software development process, helping your developers to become more productive and management to govern and enforce development testing across your organization. It starts with finding the most critical quality and security defects in highly complex C, C++, Java, and C# code bases, leveraging patented techniques for deep analysis and accurate issue detection. It consolidates that knowledge about file revisions, branches, architecture, and more to provide you with exceptionally useful intelligence about your code. This intelligence arrives early and often, ensuring fast, resilient, and predictable software delivery. Reduce your costs and risks, accelerate time to market, enhance customer satisfaction, and increase revenues. We arm your developers with the information they need to troubleshoot and fix the issues that matter, quickly and efficiently, within your existing workflow and standard SDLC process, so they can focus on innovation, leading you to market faster with confidence. Here's an example of what a developer might see in Coverity Connect's web interface. This is a very popular approach, often tied to email notifications. Other users prefer to work out of their ALM system or one of our IDE integrations. Connect pinpoints the exact location of the problem and displays the actual code so you can quickly understand the defect or violation in context and remediate or triage it appropriately. Note the detailed remediation guidance provided for this SQL injection defect. It provides 4 specific steps for resolving the problem and is located right where the fix should be implemented. This remediation guidance is customized for each defect to ensure developers fix it right the first time. To understand this defect's global impact, you can also see where it appears across projects, code streams, and branches. Issues can be automatically assigned to an appropriate owner as part of the standard development workflow and tracked to resolution within set SLA timeframes to ensure developer accountability. An escalation process can also be established in the event that further expertise is required to remediate the issue. Triage data and history is stored in a database shared by all your users to ensure minimal redundant work. One or more instances of this same defect can be updated at the same time, and those settings will be remembered in subsequent analyses. That same workflow applies to all issues in the platform, even those identified by third-party and homegrown analysis tools. You no longer need to review the same warnings in every run. Import any issues into the Coverity platform, and you can leverage these sophisticated management tools even for simple analysis tools. Even better, all issues are categorized and prioritized in a single workflow, so developers know what needs to be resolved first. To further reduce bookkeeping, we automatically mark issues as fixed when we find that they no longer exist in the code. In other words, your developers can focus on writing code rather than maintaining the defect database. The Coverity platform also helps you manage your development efforts by enabling you to define and enforce a consistent standard for quality, security, and testing across your organization. The configurable views allow you to select the development metrics and thresholds that align to your objectives, with the flexibility to switch gears as priorities change throughout the course of your project. You gain visibility into which teams, projects, or components are compliant with the standards, so you can quickly assess their status. Regardless of origin, you can pinpoint areas of risk to understand exactly what is wrong, right down to the code level. This level of visibility and traceability improves communication, decision-making, and the predictability of releases. This specific issue is a test policy violation surfaced by Coverity Test Advisor. Test Advisor helps you improve the efficiency and effectiveness of your testing efforts by focusing time and resources on the most critical parts of the code. You define which code is important, and the platform analyzes your tests using its intelligence of code structure and behavior, criticality, and change impact to surface untested code violations for quick and efficient remediation. The result is more efficient development, test writing, and test execution. In addition to tracking issues and defect metrics, you can also track platform metrics like adoption and triage trends to ensure that the process is being followed and development teams are accountable for taking appropriate and timely action on issues surfaced. Thank you for taking the time to learn about the Coverity Development Testing Platform. For more information about Coverity products and services, please visit our website or contact a Coverity representative.